Hello, myself Bhushan Kumar Shamrao Bharsakale. I am studying in BSc second year. I am studying BSc second year group MCZ. My topic name is migration of fishes. What is migration? Migration is the movement of large number of animals from one place to another for various reasons like food generation, breeding, temperature adjustments. Why do fish migrate? Why do fishes migrate? Feeding or elemental migration? Swim, seasonal migration, type of migration, fish migration, of types of migration, fish migration, pota, potamo, andromous migration. Adults of andromous fishes live and feed in open water, but their swim ground live in the tributaries of rivers. Rivers, Hylas and lamplers are some of the marine fishes that undertake and drops migration to swim in rivers. Requirement migration take place when a large number of layers moves from nurse habit to the habits of adults, which may sometimes be distantly different. Adults of eels live in river in Ecuador and America, but their lower targets live and grow and in seed and migrate to reach rivers, which may take 1 to 2 years. Occasional migration. This migration is from sea water to sea water. There are none with the sea, and fishes have learned to migrate in order to take advantage of favorable conditions everywhere they occur. There are about 12,000 marine species that regularly migrate within seawater. Juvenile migration involves larvas. These heads in swimming ground and must migrate long distance in order to reach the feeding habits of their presents. Many types of fishes migrate on a regular basis on time scale ranging from daily to annually or longer. Their travels over distance ranging from a few meters to thousands of kilometers. Finding all elementals migration take a place in fissures for feeding in high population fishes exceed food reserves in an air equal and therefore must migrate constantly in search of few feeding research. Solon coods and fish constantly migrate for food from one place to another in the sea. Content Catadromous migration. This type of migration involves movement of large number of individuals from fresher water to sea water, general for a swimming. As happiness in this case of eels equal inhabit Ecuador and North American rivers. Seasonal migration take a place for fisher that inhabit Arctic areas where in summer climate in and food, uh, but as winter uh, but as winter approaches, temperatures fall below zero and foods become scarce. Hence, first must migration for subspecial and tropical area to external of water condition. Fish migration. A number of Potamodromous migration. When fishes are migration of one habit to another migration, fishes also must migrate to lay the eggs in place where oxygen contains in water in more where food of when the heads from eggs. Thank you.